Good day, guys. My name is Billy, and in this channel, I talk about finance, stocks, real estate, and the economy. Today, we're going to take a look at one of my portfolios. We're going to take a look at how I am generating extra income besides dividends since the month of 2023, January 2023. Now, let's take a look, guys. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. Please make sure to consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any investing decisions. Now we'll go ahead to the portfolio. Let's select January 2023. Now, here we see on this chart, first chart, we see dividends paid in January 2023. I generated $82 in dividends. In this other chart, we see in coverage calls, we generated $229. And in cash secured puts, it was $70, guys. That gave us an all total of options alone, $299 plus $82 in dividends, guys. So as you can see here, I generated 3 times the amount of my dividends in cover calls and cash secured puts. In other words, in options alone, guys. Now, be very careful when you do options, guys. Now, let's continue. Now we're going to see the details on how I was able to generate extra $300+ in options, plus which dividends gave me and pay me for the month of January 2023. Let's get to it. Now, here first, in orange, in this chart here, we're going to see in orange and green bars. The orange represent the dividends. The dividend amount of $82 came from JEPI. JEPI, I got paid $59.11 in JEPI alone, and Main Street Capital was $22.91 for total dividends of around $82. Now, the $299 in option comes from these green bars. Now, here in Bank of America, I see that in options, it went negative on me. I actually lost $22 in options. Now, next one in the line is ChargePoint. In ChargePoint, I was able to generate $10. Now, in DraftKings, I was able to generate extra $30. And in Ford, I was able to generate $99 in options. In Intel, I was able to generate $110 back in January 2023. Coca-Cola, $14. Plug Power, $17, in SoFi, $10, and in AT&T, $7, and to finish it off, in Warner Bros. Discovery, $23, guys. Once again, as I stated before, be really careful with options, guys. Now, most of the videos that you're going to see on YouTube is how somebody put $200, $300 in options, and then by next week they were multimillionaires, or they were able to convert that into $400,000. I'm here to tell you that's not reality. Some quick stats, guys. Out of 100% of all options in the market, 90% expire worthless. What does that mean? If we put it into perspective, let's just say there are 10 options, right? 10 different options in the entire market. In this hand, we got 10 people who's willing to sell those 10 options to people. In this other hand, we got people who's willing to buy those options. All right. That means this 10 people sold 10 options to this 10 other group. Now, these people paid this people. This people's already paid off. If 90% of all options expire worthless, which means these people who pay for this 10 options, 9 of them lost their money. These guys collected all of the money, and only 1 on this side ended up in profit, which means 9 out of 10 lose money in options. The only majority of winners, pretty much all the winners in options, are the people who sell the options, not the people who buy the options. Okay, get what I'm saying? So I'm on the selling side. Be really, really careful, guys. Now let's see the details on how and what was the options that I sold, just to show you guys that you don't need to put $300 in an option. By tomorrow, you have $25,000. No, majority of people in options generate money little by little. I'm talking about $10 here, $30 here, $40 here. However, when you do it all together, now all of that add up to a good change where you are able to beat the market. Sometimes you will definitely be able to beat the dividends that you get and generate extra income. Now, let's see the details. Now, on the January 4th, 2023, I saw a cash secure put on ChargePoint. Strike day on the 13th, 9 days to close, guys. The strike price was $8. I received $11.34 for this option. However, I was able to close this option on the 9th of January, only 5 days I didn't hold it all the way to 9 days, only 5 days, closed it for $1. Bam, 91% profit on this. So my profit out of $11.34, it was $10.33. Also on the 4th, I sold a cash secured put on Warner Brothers Discovery. This one was sold on the 4th for strike date on the 13th, 9 days to strike, 9 days to close. The strike price was $10. I received $29.34 for this one. I closed it on the 6th. I only held it for 2 days, guys. Bam, for a 77% profit on this. Out of the $29, my profit was $22 because I closed it at $6, guys. Another thing, guys, once you see options and you have more than 50% profit, start thinking, close it, take your money and run. As an example, 2 days, this is a 9-day call. 9 days to expiration date option. If on the second day I already made 77%, more than 50% on the second date alone, why would I wait another extra week? Close it, take your money, and reopen a new one. Right, now next, cover a call, open on the 4th on Bank of America, strike date on the 6th, 2 days to expire, strike price $35, sold for $6.34. I held it those 2 days all the way to close, 100% profit, bam, $6. Moving on, DraftKings, guys, DraftKings on the 4th, open a cover call, sold the cover call and strike date on the 6th. That means 2 days to close, received $12. I mean, the strike price was $12, received $13.34, guys. I held it those 2 days. I closed it for $2.60. That represented 80% profit on this one. Bam, another winner. Bam, another winner. Now, again, now we go to Intel, guys. Intel on the 4th, strike date the 13th, 9 days to expiration or 9 days to close. Strike price of $29. Received $21.34 for this. Held it all those 9 days. It went against me, guys. It went seriously against me. Bam, minus 372%, which means that out of the money that I received, $21, I had to close it for $100, loss of $80, guys. This is what I mean. Be careful with options, all right? Now, in Coca-Cola, again on the 4th, strike date on the 13th, 9 days to close, $65 the strike price. Sold it for $8, so pretty much I received $8.34. I held it for 7 days, closed it for $1. Bam, 80% profit on that one, $7 profit. Plug Power. And Plug Power, guys, again, I opened it on the 4th, strike date on the 13th, 9 days to expire. $14.50 strike price. Received $17.34, guys. I closed it all the way to expiration, held it. It pretty much expired worthless, and it was at 100% profit on that, all $17. SoFi, guys, on SoFi back then. Open it on the 4th, the strike date on the 13th, 9 days to expire, guys. Strike price $5. Received $10.34. Held it all the way to expiration on the 13th. Closed it down for, bam, $10 of profit. Now, cover call hit on AT&T, guys. This cover call on AT&T, I opened it on the 4th, strike date on the 13th, 9 days to expire. The strike price was $19.50. Received $7.34 for it. I held it all the way to expiration day on the 9th, and I had to close it for $6. In 66 days, I lost $1.32 there. Now, dividends, guys, on the 4th, I also received JEPI dividends of $59, guys, and immediately reinvested those dividends, and I was able to acquire 1.8 shares of JEPI at a cost of $54. Now, let's continue here. DraftKings, guys, DraftKings again. Open another cover call, guys, of DraftKings on the 6th, a strike date on the 13th, 7 days to expiration, $12.50 strike price. Received $19.34 for it, guys. Held it all the way to expiration, 7 days, collected 100% of the profit on that call. cover call, my bad. Now let's go back to Ford on the 6th. Ford, again on the 6th, open another cover call. Strike date on the 13th, 7 days to close. $12 is strike price, guys. Received $62 for it. $62. Held it all the way to expiration and expired worthless, guys. $62, bam, 100% profit on that one. Intel again, guys. Intel, I opened it on the 13th, January 13th. Strike date on the 27th, 14 days to close. $29 strike price, received $179, guys. Held it for 14 days, closed it for $3.01. Bam, 98% profit on this call. Profited $176 for this call, guys. Now, dividends again, guys. Main Street Capital paid on the 13th, $22.91. I immediately reinvested those dividends here, and I was able to acquire half a share or 0.6% of a share at a price of $38.57. Now, back here to Ford, another cash secured put here, guys. I sold this cash secured put on the 17th, is strike date of the 27th, 10 days to close. The strike price will be $12.50. Received $22, held it for 9 days, closed it at $3, profited $19.33, 80% profit on that one. Bam, another winner. Bam, another winner. Now, here on the 24th, Bank of America, cover call on Bank of America, guys. On the 24th, strike date on the 3rd of February, 10 days to expire or 10 days to close. Strike price $36. Received $12.34 for it. Held it all the way to 10 days, closed at $40. Bam, it went against me, guys, and I lost $28 there. Back to Ford, guys. Ford. In Ford, I sold it on the 26th, expiration date or strike date, February 3rd, 8 days to close. $12.50 strike price. Received $26.34. Held it 6 days. Closed it on the 1st. I closed it at $8.66, profiting $17.68. This is a profit of 67% of the call. Bam, take profit above 50%. Oh my. Now, Coca-Cola, once again, guys, on Coca-Cola, cover call for strike date on the February 3rd, 8 days to close, guys. $62.50 strike price. Closed this call 7 days later, not 8, on the 2nd of February for $2. Profit is $6.33, paying 76%. Great. Now, guys, Intel here on the 30th, I opened another cover call on Intel. There is a typo here. There is one mistake here. I don't know why, but it was a 9-date cover call. I think it was the 9th expiration strike date. The strike price was $30. Received $16.34. Closed that call on the 8th for $3.01, profiting $13, 82% of that call. Now on the 30th, back to AT&T, guys. So the cover call on the 30th for the strike date of February 17th, 18 days to close. $21 is strike price, guys. Received $10 on the 6th. So I only held it for 7 days out of the 18 days. I closed it for $2.01, profiting 81% of that call for $8 profit. Now, altogether, guys, I made $299. Once again, guys, remember, in investing, you will win and you will lose. You will not win all, you will not lose all, unless you're an idiot. Then you lose all. However, remember, what matters is that your winners outweigh your losers. Okay. Now, guys, remember, the question is, you should have more winners than losers to the point where your winners can cover the losses. In this case, I have some losses here. However, my winnings were able to cover those losses. So that's why I ended up with a profit of $299 for the month of January in options alone. Add that to the dividends. That means I received that day $381 extra besides the stock movement or stock appreciation, guys. So, and this here, you can able to see for that month I contributed $881 to my dividend and extra money that comes in every month. That comes to extra $31.76 a month, or extra $7.33 every week, or I contributed extra $1 per day to my dividend or passive income or extra money, however you want to put it, guys. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Billy. Like I said, in this channel, I talk about stocks, real estate, finance, and the economy. Now, my question for you guys is, are you generating extra income doing what? Doing options? Just in dividends alone, are you also generating extra income via options? If not, let me know down in the comments below. What are you doing to generate extra income on your portfolio, guys? Thanks for watching, guys, and so don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this video if you found this information helpful, guys. Leave me your comments below, your questions below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.